back to the Hall of Fame right here with Bruce Commander Garrett. And of course, I want to welcome you. As I told you earlier, I want to tell you about an event that's coming up, and on our screen in just a moment, we're going to be putting up this event for April the 19th, where, of course, these wonderful doctors will be out at this event. First of all, I want you, if you don't mind, Dr. Sherman, share with us what's this event about on April the 19th.
Well, this is an event at the college and the university where people get to come and they obtain information, get information from various experts in various fields throughout the valley. It includes there'll be medical information that's going to be supplied, as well as general information that individuals can learn about things that are happening in our society, whether it be medicine, whether it be politics, whether it be inventions, business, and this is something everybody can kind of gather new information and learn from.
Now, will you be dealing with the subject matters that we talked about earlier with the possibilities of stem cell and the way it can help people look beautiful, as well as help people who really think they had no hope of making some changes?
I think we want to educate people about what's out there, what's available to them, so they have an option of getting better treatment or be at the forefront of medicine. So I think this brings hope to a lot of people.
Yeah, I've got a couple of texts here. People are asking, how do they contact? I'll start with you first. How do they contact you?
Well, I think it's easy to go to our website. It's drstemcell.com, drstemcell.com. And that'll give you a wealth of knowledge about stem cells, what are the treatment options, what are the areas that you could get treatment in. And right through our website, drstemcell.com, you can contact us.
Fantastic. Doctor, how do they contact you?
Similarly, we are in the same type of a stem cell practice and partners in that because it works well with the plastic surgeon who's got the expertise at being able to harvest those stem cells, and then myself as the orthopedic surgeon in being able to deploy them to those areas where the patients are really having a great deal of difficulty, where it's adversely affecting their life.
Who are the people that would really benefit about coming out to this event?
I think we can help a lot of people. There are people who had chronic knee pain, back pain, chronic injuries, orthopedic injuries. Wow. That's number one. Also, people who want to look better in a natural way without using foreign materials in their body and using their own body to rejuvenate themselves.
You know, being a Hall of Famer, the only have to ask that was that question you want to ask. Is this considered extra service when people think about their insurance, or is this process? Because if you're like me with the World Center Broadcast Media, sometimes when you're a new tradition, common things that people are used to are not always common to the ordinary people. How do you guys answer that question?
Well, for right now, because this is in a stage where the insurance doesn't cover all of it, but they will cover some. For instance, when somebody comes to our office to be evaluated because they're interested in stem cell treatment, we may require studies like MRI studies, and those studies are covered per the typical insurance carrier through MRIs. If after a full evaluation and testing it's determined that the stem cell is something that the patient would do well with, and they want to proceed with that, some of that is generally not covered from insurance at the moment. But that's why the IRB we talked about, where we're constantly doing all of this research, so one day insurance again will pick up this regenerative medicine. Remember, it's a new field.
Absolutely.
And like all new fields, you're going to find things that are new, particularly regenerative medicine is going to change how patients are treated in the future. The successes we'll be able to get in the future. But it's right at the beginning right now,
Absolutely.
And that's why it's handled this way.
You know, it's been such an honor to have you guys here on the World Center of Broadcast Media. It would be just knowledgeable that I'm going to ask. The Valley Economic Alliance, how has that role and this wonderful company played an opportunity for you guys?
Valley Economic Alliance has been a leader in bringing out to the forefront, the leading institutions such as ours, and as well as other organizations that are who play a vital role in the economy of the valley. So they've been big promoters of all the businesses of the San Fernando Valley.
Yeah, I'm presuming that you're feeling as well.
Oh, absolutely. In order to get information out to the populace, somebody has to be able to accomplish that. The two of us as physicians with decades of experience, we treat patients, but we have to be able to get out to the public, and this is the kind of thing that it takes to make that happen.
Well, I totally agree with you. I was talking to the owner of the World Center Broadcast Media, Gene Woods, and we're very excited because this organization has given us a chance to have this new technology presented on March 16th out at the Tech Expo. We're just really excited about that. And I know your date on the April 19th. I encourage people who want to go in depth of learning about this new technology with stem cells. I'm so glad that we had a chance to talk about that. It's a subject that never is talked about in depth because everybody's got their different version. But as you stated in the statement, I read it so well, the future is here, and you doctors are two of them. Once again, share everybody, give us your name, doctor.
Well, it's a privilege to be here. Thank you. My name is Sean Unai.
Dr. Sean Unai.
My name is Dr. Bruce Fishman, and thank you for taking the time to listen to us.
And Dr. Fishman, thank you. Thank you, everybody. Don't go anywhere. We got so much more right here on the Hall of Fame with Bruce Commander Garrett. Coming up, going to talk to an expert all about a way to help you right here on WCOBM, the World Center Broadcast Media in Hollywood.